Yo, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Jtraedz TV, where we discuss all stock-related contents and much more. I had to jump on a little bit earlier, guys, because I do have to go do some property work later on. So I know I said I was going to do 1 to 4. What's up, Gennaro? What's up, boss? Oh, I forgot to turn my thing back on. There we go. What's up, G-Money? But yeah, guys, so I'm going to do 11:30 to 1:30 because I do have to go do some work later on. So I'll be on here with you guys for 2 hours, through lunch hours and, going into the second half of the market to see where we go and so forth, man. Man, tell me why when I was setting up, not everyone it wanted to go for the pullback. I swear it's like the live stream jinxed me. I swear it do. It's like the minute I was setting up because I was waiting. I was waiting because I was anticipating a pullback. That was my game plan today. I said I wasn't. I don't know. I didn't feel comfortable with it going up. I felt like we had more downside than upside. And tell me why the minute I'm setting up my live stream, yank. I was like, I swear, I was like, man, I swear, it just hate. That's all I can say. I swear, it's like it knows when I go live and it does it on purpose. Bruh, it's not even funny. I swear it does it on purpose. It's like it knows when I'm going live. Not even funny at all. It's not even cool, man. I'm like, it's not even cool. But and another reason why I was coming on earlier today too was because I didn't see a lot of volatility, not like volatility, but a lot of activity, especially with SPY. SPY was in a range at one point this morning. We was at a range between right around what did we start at this morning? I know we started at around 680, 68, down towards the 59, 79.50. We stayed like in this little range at first. Then we wound up cracking down towards the 78, 90 levels, and then we started to get this little movement back towards the upside. So I did see that, but yeah, I just didn't see a lot of activity. And me, I ain't gonna lie to you. Me personally, I wasn't leaning towards the upside because I felt like we were due for a pullback coming. So I was anticipating, waiting on this crack below this 78.90 for the pullback down towards that 77.10, which looked like every time we kept trying to crack this level, we could never crack it. And yeah, so I wound up just going ahead and let it push up towards the upside. But the minute I was setting my live stream up, there go the yank. I was like, it happens, man. It happens. I mean, sometimes you get a good one. Sometimes it happens, man. It comes with the territory. It happens. It happens. Yeah, that didn't make me so mad. Oh, man. I had just everything set in motion. And then next thing you know, here we go. Now, as far as blue chip wise, Apple. I was telling, I forgot who I was talking about this yesterday about. It was Harwin and somebody else. I was telling about Apple. Because I know what they was anticipating the movement on that. I said the main price point that we needed to get above on Apple was going to be 270. So this morning we got above 270 and then almost a $5 run. Ran up, the highs around 274.50 and they got that pull right back on down. But yeah, once you got above 270, that was going to be key. And I was telling everybody that yesterday on Apple was going to be key 270. So as far as right now, guys, what are you guys looking at? Did y'all make any trades so far? Or y'all sitting in your hands waiting for the next opportunities? So I mean, what are you guys looking at? What's your thought process? What's your game plan? What you thinking? So right now, with SPY, right back above this little level here. So I mean, it's still getting a little bounce back up. What time it is right now? 11:56. Because what's that level that we need to stay on top of to get that reversal back up? I mean, we are above 79.50. We are above 79.50. 79.50. Yeah, so I was trying to map everything out. Like I said, we were in a little range. I mean, it was a lot of choppiness going on today, especially with SPY. SPY was hella choppy. And but the thing that was making me iffy going short, because the market is not strong. The only one that was holding was Apple. That was only at 1%. Everything else is like in the negative percents on SPY. And then you got VIX above SPY, which that's representing bearishness. So that was another reason why I was anticipating, for some pullback coming. Back down to these levels here. Let me go back a little bit. I was anticipating it was going to crack, that 79.80, these bottoms back down towards that 77.10. Remember that 77.10 was that area we talked about yesterday. Let me go back to it a little bit. Let me go back. Let me go back to it. So 77.10. So you remember, yes, okay, so remember we got above 72.50. Then we ran up towards that 77.10. Up towards, you remember, we ran up as high as towards that, you remember that 680.37 we talked about. Now we did get a little breakout above that 680.37, but we doing after hours, we want to follow right back underneath that price point back down to the downside. So knowing that we already went on this little bullish run, I was expecting a little bit of pullback day, which the market is a little weak. So I was expecting a little pullback from these levels back down towards the 677.10s, which I'm still anticipating to see can we still get it. I know for sure we get that crack back underneath 79.50. I mean, we could definitely see a possible pullback back down to this level. We could get another red candle back down. Because right now, you're just kind of like in a little consolidated mode right here. Kind of just going sideways. But I would like to see a pullback back down towards this 67.10. Which nothing is wrong with that. Because, I mean, nothing wrong with, catching the bottom. And plus, you'll be getting a downtrend bounce. And you'll be bouncing off of those indicators. So that's why I wouldn't mind. And that's why I was anticipating a pullback for today after, going on this little run that we had from Friday all the way into Monday. I mean, we'll keep it on watch to see where we go, though. We'll keep it on watch to see where we go. So I'm anticipating for a possible little crack below that level, back down this way. Because like I said, the market is not really strong today. I mean, like I said, look, majority of the blue chips are in the red. The only thing in the as far as these companies is LLY, Lilly. I mean, everything else just looks weak. So that's why I'm like what is still? I mean, look right now, Apple's turning. Right now, Apple's turning at this moment. So I'm expecting some I feel like a pullback is coming. I just can't say when, but I mean I feel like we should get a little pullback coming. I mean we caught some pullbacks here, but I'm talking about even below these price points where we can fall back down to that level I called out, which is going to be around that close towards that 677.10. I'm expecting a little bit of still, weakness to still step in sooner or later. I mean, I know it's coming. I just got to be patient about it. Yeah, I mean, it's just been a lot of choppiness, Queen. Good morning, Austin. Yeah, it's just been a lot of choppiness. It's been a lot of choppiness. I mean, you did get rejected from that 680 level, 680, 68 twice. So you double top here. So, I'm like I said, I'm still anticipating to see can we get this downside. I mean, we ran up. And we may be setting up, for going up from an uptrend now to a downtrend. Looking like we're starting to pull back slowly now. But yeah, because it's like, to me, it didn't have a strong pattern. I'm gonna just be honest. Nothing screamed out to me, oh man, the market is gonna rip. I mean, that's just how I felt today. And I did my research. See, bam, what I told you. See, why? See what I mean? It just didn't scream out bullish. It just didn't scream it out to me. That's why, I mean, and the market again is weak. I'm like, man, we gotta be turning sooner or later. It's like if these sellers can crack this or stay below this 79.50, we can pull our way back on down. Again, going from this uptrend to now a possible downtrend. But it just been so much damn choppiness. It would chop here, then you fell down. Chop here, then you go up. It's like, but to me, the overall thing, everything is still setting up still bearish. It's just a lot of choppiness though right now. A lot of choppiness. I mean, I do see somewhat of a little bear flag pattern that could be setting up. Let me see how I look on the 5-minute time frame. I see it somewhat on the 2-minute. Let me see how I look on the 5. Yeah, you got a little bear flag on the 5. Almost like a little bear flag pattern on the 5. I mean, like I said, I just feel like that bad boy can still pull back in due time. It's just so much choppiness right now. But like I said, Apple is falling. So it's like, what else could be holding SPY up? I mean, everything else is in the red. You got Apple falling back underneath, what is that, it's 272. So that's what I'm not understanding. What the hell is still holding SPY up? That's what I'm not understanding. I mean, you got a red engulfing candle. So I'm like, nah, something up. Something is up. Something is definitely not right, man. Something is definitely not right now. It's not. Something is not adding up. Because you got a big engulfing red candle that should be setting up for a possible bear flag. I mean, it's just like, And look at the market. The market is red. The market is weak. The only one that's holding is Apple. VIX is even above SPY this time. So I'm like, something is not right. A lot of manipulation, man. It's a lot of manipulation going on. A lot of manipulation going on. A lot of it going on right now. You go up, you go down, you go up. I mean, it's they manipulating the market right now. Let's go through a few of these blue chip companies. Let's see if we see anything else that could stand out that could be pushing this. Because Apple, like I said, is pulling back. So what else could it be? Amazon? Nah. Google? Nah. Microsoft? Nope. Meta? I mean, you got a little bit of an uptrend. Nah. A little bounce here, but it's still weak. AMD? Nah. Tesla? Nah. Nvidia? No. Now you see what I mean? So it's like, what the hell is holding up SPY? Like, we done went through all of these. That just, yeah, there's some manipulation going. Man, there's definitely some crazy manipulation going on, man. Something is not right. Something is not adding up. It's something not right. Something not right. Something not right here. Because the only one that's clinging on in the green is Apple. And Apple's starting to get weak. Falling back on these 272. Because you're up at 0.90%. Something is not right. Something not right. Something definitely not adding up here. It's smelling a little fishy. Because you already got a red engulfing candle right here that's setting up, that's bearish, which should be leading by a possible bear flag pattern. And they still trying to stay on top of this 79.50. You notice how they desperately trying to stay on top of 79.50? They desperately trying to hold it. So if you want around it, between 79 and 79.50, they're definitely trying to stay within it. Like, they're definitely trying to hold within this range. The buyers are definitely trying to, because they do not want the sellers to take it out. But if those sellers would have come in, they should start yanking when you do like a drop, pop, drop, almost like a lightning bolt. Drop, go up into resistance, and then go on your second leg down. That's what should be on a normal setup like this. That's what you should be seeing. But they got this. This is, like I said, this is the normal situation which you should be seeing on the 5, or on this pattern. You see it, especially on something like this. You should see a pullback, a bounce into resistance, and then your second leg on down. That's what you should be seeing. So that means you should be cracking that level and retesting these levels for a possible pull back down. See what I mean? Look, upper shadow. Something is not right. Yeah, see that? They setting up for something. They definitely setting up for something. Because again, we should be seeing a drop, pop, drop. I mean, like I said, almost like a lightning bolt formation, almost like an H. That's what you should be seeing. That should be setting up for that downtrend. So yeah, something. Yeah, I'm keeping on watch. We'll see. Because something is not right. Something is not right here. Because this bad boy, like I said, look how, again, based off the market is looking weak and everything. Yeah, something ain't right. Something ain't right here, guys. I don't know, man. Something is definitely not panning out right now. See, these type of days, don't even touch it, bro. Don't even waste your time. The manipulation is ridiculous. I mean, especially greedy people. I mean, like I said, I went through enough to know manipulation when I see it. That is pure manipulation right here. Pure manipulation. The market is hella weak. You got, again, your top gainer. Apple is hanging on by a thread at 272. So it's like, yeah, something's not adding up right here. I don't know, guys. I can't even call it out. I don't know. I don't know. But Aussie, Gennaro, what y'all looking at right now? What's on y'all list? What's y'all game plan? See, going back up. Yeah, something's definitely not panning out right now. I mean, you got a little U-shaped pattern, almost like a little cup and handle pattern. But it's like, how could you be doing this when the market is hella weak? See what I'm saying? You just had a major drop. I'm like, yeah, something is not adding up right here. Something is definitely not adding up.
Queen 39-42 says.
Yeah.
Not trading. Queen 39-42 says. Chopping.
Yeah. And not just that, like I said, it's a lot of manipulation going on. I mean, you just had a holding golfing green counter. Now you're bouncing back up. The market is looking hella weak. I mean, you got Apple. Well, right now was helping SPY go back up. It's Apple, because Apple is bouncing right back up at that 272. But if we lose 272 and start to pull our way back down to 271, then we should start to get weak on SPY. But something is not right here. Like, something is not adding up right in this little level. Yeah, something is not adding up.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah, something is not adding up, because like I said, you got a huge engulfing red candle, and normally after that, you'll start to, run back up into resistance, and it's set up for the next leg down. So yeah, something is definitely not panning out right now. They setting up something. So yeah, guys.
39-42 says. All charts manipulated today. Not right.
Yeah. So you agree with me though, right, Queen? See, something is not adding up right now. Something is definitely not adding up. I know for sure buyers are trying to stay on top of 70, and I'm gonna go over why I think they're trying to stay on top of 79.50. Before 1 o'clock. Now we fall back underneath it. Yeah, we can see that next leg down. I'm gonna tell you why, and I'm gonna go to my chart, because I know a lot of you guys can't see it through the choppiness, and I'm gonna break it down to why, to what I believe. Okay, so go to my chart real quick. This is what I believe. See right here. See, we ran up. Remember that little area I told y'all about yesterday? How high we could go up to? We got stuff where that 680.37, right? And then we started to hit that and come right back on down. Now this is your first red candle after this little bullish run. Now we hitting this level here. So if we fall back down, the next possible key level is going to be around this 677.10. Now why do I say that? Now the reason why I put that price point is because that's what his secondary candle is back here, right? So we were to get a pull back down from this drop to here. That's where that second red candle is here, where you had that second pullback after this one. You have pullback number 1, you have pullback number 2, and also if you go back this way, you held that same level, 677.10 on the upside, which you got that gap up towards the upside. That was in October. Now go back this way. Then we fell back underneath it, turned into resistance. You yank back on down. So if not, we can't hold this level. The next thing I can see is a possible pullback down towards, so that's why I'm watching it. But right here you can see it's like in a range. It's like right in a little range. You got a red candle, because like I said, I see what buyers are trying to do. Because right now what time it is? 11 o'clock, so they got an hour. See, buyers are trying to flip this candle. Buyers are trying to flip the candle green. I know what buyers are trying to do. Sellers are trying to get back underneath that 79.50. Because if they get back underneath that 79.50 and close successfully, because remember, these candles are 1 o'clock candles. So that means that this candle can close successfully back underneath 79.50. Then once that new 1 o'clock candle comes in, okay, let me ask you this, guys. If that new 1 o'clock candle comes in at 79.50 underneath it, where do you think resistance is going to start from? 79.50. So that means if that candle can close underneath that and a new candle comes in, it's going to be welcome to resistance. Now pulling back down to the next key level, which is going to be possibly around 677.10, right where your 9 MA and 20 MA is at. Excuse me. So right now you're just ranging. But I see the potential if sellers can come in and yank them on how far we could possibly pull back down. I mean, like I said, not a major drop, but a good enough, area where you can still profit from this 679.50 down to the 677 level this way. So, matter of fact, let me do this. Let me move this. Let me readjust this. Kind of like in this little range right about here. Right here. From these tops to these possible bottoms. And look where your 9 MA is sitting at. 9 MA and 20 MA is sitting at. So if you get a pullback down, and again, which nothing is wrong with a pullback, because if I'm a buyer, I'd rather buy low and then sell high. So especially if this area is not breaking out, 680.37, and we get this pullback, then we know what resistance is. We get a bounce and push back on up. We know what level we need to break out. So that's why I'm just anticipating, man, to see if these sellers gonna come in, man. But it's just so freaking choppy, man. But I know what I want, and I know what's my target. What's my areas that I want on the downside. Cause I don't, we already had this run on up. I think this is gonna be a little resistant area. Because again, if you notice right here, what happened last time? we had a what? Green and red move at that same price right around 680, 37, right? You ran up, green to red, right back on down. You run up, green to red. Now y'all see the rinse and repeat now on the upside. So that's why I'm anticipating to see, okay, can we get a little pullback? Cause see what happened like right here last time. You ran up towards 680.37 and you yanked back below underneath 677.10, and then you got a further pull back down from that level. So that's what I'm thinking that as long as they can hold, we can see a possible red candle pull back, down towards these downsides. So that's what I'm anticipating. Once they get out of this little chop zone, man, out of this little range, they are just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So it's a battle. So that 679.50 is going to hold, they're going to be holding that. They're going to be trying to fight for it. Buyers going to try to fight to hold. Buyers going to try to fight to hold. I mean, look at the way this candle don't even know which way to go right now. Because you got selling pressure, you got buying pressure. The candle don't know whether it wants to flip up, it don't know whether it wants to continue on down. I mean, but look what's happening. But look how much power, look how much pressure you have on both ends of this bad boy. You got buying pressure and you got selling pressure. We know buyers, we got to get back above that 680.30 level for that possible flip for the move back up to the upside. Puts, we know that we need to possibly fall back underneath that 79.50 for that, for that possible pullback down towards 78 to 77. So right now we're in a tug of war match right here, guys. Straight tug of war match. Are we above the open too? Yeah, see, we're above the open. So it's holding the open. Definitely holding the open at this time. So yeah, buyers are definitely they're trying to reverse it. I mean, you can definitely see what buyers are trying to do. Buyers are trying to get this reverse. Buyers are trying, look right here. See? Buyers are trying to get that reverse back up to the upside. They're trying to go for that push. And they're trying to get that break back above this key level. You can see exactly what they're trying to do. But yeah, it's been choppy, boy. It's just been choppy. The only thing that's holding it, like I said, really is Apple. But Apple's still looking hella weak. So we're going to keep it on wise, guys. We'll see. We know today is choppy, man. Just, again, relax, chill. Don't force anything, man. Just until we see some good setups, man, don't force anything that's not there, man. It's the only thing I can say. And there you go, pushing back up, see? Choppy days, boy. These are the days you want to avoid. These are the days I hate. Boy, I hate these type of days. Because you don't know where to get in at. You get caught in the mix. It's like you get caught in it. It's like you get caught up, down, you don't know which way to go. But based off of what you see on my drawing, you can see what sellers are sitting at, and you can see what buyers are sitting at. So let me make this solid. The solid red solid line, so you know what the tops is as of now. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, right here. This little range here. Tops, bottoms. So we in this little range. Still haven't yet broke out. Still haven't yet cracked. So all we doing right now, guys, is doing back and forth between these two particular price points. So if y'all notice that, that's really all it's doing. Trying to figure out which way I want to go. You don't know, don't know whether you want to break out or crack. So that's the range that we in at this moment. This is the range to make a true decision which way I want to go out of this range. So here we go. Above that 680.86 or below that 678.90. So right now we still haven't figured out a true direction of where we want to go. But the market is just still looking hella weak. So I'm like, why is this? To me that's crazy. That's the reason. That's the thing that's blowing my mind. Because the market. We can clearly see it on this board. Everything is weak. VIX is even over SPY. That's why I'm like, what can really be holding up SPY right now? If the market is pinpointing that is weak. Yeah, something ain't adding up. That's why I said something ain't right, man. Something ain't adding. The math ain't mathing. It's just not, man. It's not. It's crazy. But we'll see where we go from here, guys. Whether, buyers are going to hold this key level for that pushback on up, for that retest to 680.68 back up, or this pull back down. But you got to understand where your pivot point is at. Where the pivot point for today is at. I'll light it up for today. This is your pivot point for today. There you go. 79.50. 79.50. Above it, room to push back up. Below it, room to come back down. So that's your pivot. That's your possible pivot back and forth. Because if y'all notice, we always find our way back to 79.50. Over and over and over. So we know what a pivot is. See how it look like it's still getting weak? See, man, I hate this. this manipulation day. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, it's crazy. We'll keep it on watch, guys. Like I said, I'll be with you guys till 1:30. I'll be with you guys till 1:30. So I'll be with you guys for 2 hours. 11:30 to 1:30. So I got y'all. So any questions, comments, or concern, man, we'll knock it out the park, man. Just keep everything on watch. Cause it looks like you want to make a little downtrend right here. Like, I mean, I'll take this trend line off. Cause it looked like you want to do this. Look like you want to do this. See, look like you want to make a little downtrend, but we'll see. But we got to get these sellers to come in aggressive. If they're going to succeed, they're going to get it. They got to come in aggressive. They got to. Because I'm anticipating, like I said, I want to see, can we actually, if I was correct about it today, close to that price point. Because this was my prediction, if we get it. Oh, wait, I meant to put my alert. I want to see. So I'm going to set an alert right around my prediction. All right. So, yeah, 77.10. Yeah, there we go. There we go, guys. So, yeah, this is my little finish line. So, that's what I'm predicting. If we can get this successful crack underneath that 79, back down to the 78, back down towards these key levels, we can start to, create that downtrend setup. So that's what I'm anticipating. This morning, but it was small. Like it was small, man. I mean, cause it didn't hold. Like I took a small trade, but it wasn't nothing to brag about. Like a few dollars. I ain't gonna even lie to you. It was a few dollars. Nothing to brag about, Aussie. Because like I said, it was so choppy. Like it just couldn't catch levels that I wanted. Cause again, I was anticipating it was gonna fall. That was what I was anticipating. But I just made a little small move right here, but it wasn't nothing major. It wasn't nothing major because I didn't want to go in with a lot, man. I was too paranoid. Because it just, I don't know. I was too paranoid. I couldn't do it. Like, because it was just too choppy. I just didn't want to take no big risks. I just couldn't. So we're gonna keep everything on watch, guys, because I want to try to navigate you through this manipulation, with these traders, man. They like to manipulate the market, going through all this choppiness, because especially when you're, put it like this. Normally when you in a lot of choppiness like this, is a specific price point that they're trying to stay on top of for the first half of the market. So we already see that 679.50 is one of the main key areas that they're trying to stay on top of before 1 o'clock. So we know that for sure. We already got that down pack because they refuse to let the sellers crack this level and crack this level. So we know the two specific areas where buyers are sitting at. Or buyers are holding as far as the demand zone. So we know that they trying to stay above this level by the second half of the market because their goal is to move up. So I'm also watching my candle. I'm watching my 12-hour chart too. My 12-hour chart is still looking a little runchy. So, but we'll see where we go though, man. Yeah, I can't take no trades. It's just too, I can't do it. To me, it's just too crazy. It's just too insane. It's just too much choppiness. I can't do it. It's too choppy. I can't do it. It's just back and forth. Same range. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Same range. Like yeah. So if anything, guys, just take your time, man. Take your time. Don't force anything. If you don't see a play, man, don't trade it. You don't necessarily have to trade every day to make money. You always got to keep that in mind. You don't have to trade every day to make money. If you don't see it, don't trade it. But like I said, this is what I was anticipating was this pullback. This is what I was anticipating to pull back this way. But like I said, it's just been too damn choppy. I'm just not comfortable right now. I just can't take a move, man. It just You know what I'm saying? It just one of them things. Just can't, I just can't do it.
Ingrid Chick 2202 says, not touching a thing today.
Let me see if I see any blue chips or anything else that may be moving. I see LLY. We had what, 1% on that? LLY? LLY's holding up pretty decent. LLY went from what, 970? Damn, that went on a what, $10, almost an $18 run. LLY? Damn, hella good. I mean, that wasn't bad at all. Yeah, so Lily did good. Lily did great on the upside. I mean, now possibly pull him back down. NBIS. NBIS went from 104. Damn, that went on an $8 run. Damn. I mean, look at those, guys. I mean, look at those. 104 to 112. I mean, that was... Damn. Let me see. I want to look at the contracts on this damn thing. Excuse me. Let me see what was the strike prices on those. Was it expensive? NBIS, what was the bottoms? Right around 104, 103s? Yeah, I think it was a little expensive. Let me double check that though. Let me see. I want to see what the lows was, but before we bounce back up, let me see where the lows was located. This chart, what is this? 103s? Okay, so 103s. Yeah, it was a little expensive. I mean, you had to have a nice size account. Because the lows was what? The lows was like $4.54 all the way back up to like $11. So yeah, you would have to have a nice size account, 500 plus at least. I'm still watching it. I'm still watching this, guys. I'm still watching it with y'all. Just still trying to see what it's trying to do. Oh, hold on, guys. My mom calling. Hold up, guys. Give me a minute. All right, guys, I'm back. That was the queen. So, seeing what she needed, seeing what she had needed. All right. Yep, still getting a little push. Oh, that's because look at Apple. Apple bouncing. That's what's helping SPY push. Look, Apple. 72s, right back up to that VWAP. So there you go. That's another thing that's causing it. Pushing it right back on up to the upside. So yep. See that's exactly what those buys are trying to do. Look. Let me show y'all on the 5. I mean on the 12-hour chart. Look what they trying to do. My phone's ringing again. Yeah, see? They're trying to flip that candle. Trying to get back on top of that 680.37. They trying to push. They trying to flip it. They trying to flip it back to the upside. See what they doing, huh? Trying to keep that candle green, and trying to keep the bullish momentum going. So yeah, right here, even though they fought, yeah. See, sellers couldn't hold. So yeah, we would have kept those buys underneath that 80.37, pulled them back on down. They didn't have. I mean, and right now, like I said, if those buys can stay on top of that price point, that's gonna cause 680.37 to hold up as support. Hold up as support. When that next candle that comes in, it's gonna be welcomed right around this price point for this continuation push towards the upside. Sellers have to pull them, but look at this. Look at that. So I mean, it ain't no point. There's no point. It's just nothing you can really do. Yeah, but yeah, NBIS went on. I mean, NBIS was solid. I mean, a nice move in LLY was pretty decent today. I mean, those two were pretty decent. Yeah, those two were your most decent moves. I mean, from how low? I mean, where did we start from? Shit, 930. 930 all the way up to 9. So that was a damn, what, $50 move up? Holy crap. $50 buy, yeah, $50. Well, I'm looking at the wrong way now. I'm sorry. My bad. Was almost 60, up to what, 90? That's about $30. Damn near roughly almost $30. Yep, so here they go, guys. That's this third attempt. 1, 2, third attempt. Third attempt. Third attempt. Keep that on watch, guys, for SPY. Third attempt right here. 1, 2, 3, third attempt. We didn't broke out of this downtrend, so we don't need that right now. Take that off. So 1, 2, 3, third attempt right here. Trying to go for this third one. We got left on this counter 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Yeah, all it is ranging. All it is ranging back and forth, back and forth. That's really all it's doing. Going right back up to these tops, right where your sellers are sitting at, and then you already know where your buyers are sitting at. But it's just same back and forth, back and forth. So still nothing yet. Up a shadow, back on down. So still just stuck in this range. Let's see. We got about how many minutes left? About 1 minute. So let's see if that 1 minute candle. Let's see if this candle gonna close above. Yep, looking like they're trying to go for it. Look, let's see. Let's see if they're gonna try to break out of it. Let's see. On this 5 minute time frame. Let's see if they're gonna get it. Let's see, because they're not too far from breaking it. Are they gonna finally get the push? We right by it. Still got 30 seconds. Alright, let's see. Yep, your buyers and sellers gonna be fighting right here. Gonna be fighting. They're gonna be fighting. Buyers need to break and hold above this price point. Sellers need to keep them underneath. So let's see what's about to happen, guys. Let's see what's about to happen for this third attempt. This third touch. Let's see. Which way do SPY want to truly go? Well, we gapped up a little bit, but let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, man. Like I said, guys, I knew it was choppy today, man. And I know it was. I know a lot of y'all probably caught hell trying to, going with this back and forth situation, man. I know it was a lot, man. I know it's definitely a lot. So keep it on watch. We got left what time it is. So we got about 1 o'clock. We still above. Cause I'm watching this candle. Cause I'm trying to see how it's gonna close out. That's really what I'm watching to see how that's gonna close out. Cause you gotta remember these are 1 o'clock candles. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled to see on what time we close. I'm keeping on watch. I'm gonna see. Let's see if we can maneuver our way out of this choppiness. So let's see. So right now we're starting to pull back. That was your third touch. Third touch. I got about how many minutes left on that bad boy? 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. So right here was the third attempt. So okay, guys, what are you guys looking at right now, man? I know right now, like I said, it's crazy. It's a little choppy, but what are you guys looking at? What you guys game plans? I know a lot of y'all say y'all wasn't trading right now at this moment, which nothing's wrong with that until we get a true direction. Yeah, we pulling back, but let's see on how powerful the pullback is gonna be, because we didn't see this damn thing pull back, then to go back up, pull back, then to go back up, pull back, then to go back up. We didn't see this time and time again. It's like if sellers gonna come in, you're gonna have to move. You're gonna have to move it. You're gonna have to come in aggressive, man. Like you're gonna have to we gotta figure out a direction that SPY really wants to go. Y'all back above the VWAP. I give it that. Y'all back above the VWAP. Y'all have gotten back above that bad boy. Even, throughout all the choppiness, I know. But you have broken above it. That's just crazy. I'm trying other than Apple, what else could be holding up SPY? Because, we didn't went through every other stock. That's Apple, my bad. Amazon, what I meant to go to. Amazon pulling back. Microsoft, little bounce but still looking weak. Google, little bounce, still looking weak. Meta, little bounce, still looking weak. They all look the damn same damn near. AMD just still flushing. Tesla, that's still looking weak. And Nvidia. Nvidia's so it may be Nvidia that may be contributing too. So let me see. So Apple and Nvidia right now. So I see Nvidia trying to bounce. Come on, stupid chart. I hate this thing. Alright, cool. So y'all getting a little bounce on Nvidia. Y'all getting a bounce on that one. Apple's pulling back. So now you can see where the bounce is coming from, or what's contributing to the bounce at this time is Nvidia. Nvidia's contributing to it. Because Apple, I mean, Apple's still looking a little weak, like it want to pull back, but Nvidia's getting a definite red to green move. That's what's contributing to SPY right now. Is Nvidia doing it? Yep, Nvidia's the culprit. That's why it's been choppy, because a lot of these plays, some of them are going up, some of them are going down, some of them are going up, some of them are going down, that's what caused that consolidation on SPY a lot, because it has to read off of these different blue chips. Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, AMD, Microsoft, Google. You know, you got some going up, some going down. I mean, it just you know, and what it does is it just kind of throws it off where it puts in in a consolidated like state. So well, let's see. Nvidia in let me see, 193. So right now, here we go again, testing this level again on SPY once again. Here we go, testing again. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's like, yeah, this is the ranges you want to avoid at all times. This is, yeah, it's just crazy. But we'll see, guys. I mean, like I said, if you want to go long, I'll put it like this. If you want to go towards the long side, as long as you stay on top of that, remember that area we talked about, that 180.37, you stay on top of that, you do have room to push your way up towards 181 and 182. Basically back up to these, I think that was yesterday's highs. Yeah, yesterday's highs. Towards the
42 cents. And the chart is choppy too.
But look at this ugly setup. But look at this. It's like no like complete U shape. It just, I mean, look at this. It's an ugly setup, man. This is like an ugly setup. It's like this definitely manipulated, man. This is definitely manipulation. Like off top manipulation. I mean, look at this. You didn't even form a full pattern before this bad boy went up. Let me see. Let me spread it out just to see if I see it a little bit clear. Let me see. I mean, it got like a little ugly cup and handle. An ugly little cup and handle pattern. Yeah, today, yeah, it was just definitely just off. But I see what the buyers are trying to go to. Buyers are trying to push back up to that 82, to this old level from yesterday. After hours, they're trying to push back up to these highs. But yeah, I clearly see what they're doing. Yeah. Boy, this is just so. See, all they did was just take this area here, utilize that for support to push their way back up to these tops. That's really what they did. They took yesterday's this little level here, support, and flipped it. That's really all they did.
AI bot trading.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, and also if you think about it, Aussie, all they did was just take yesterday's this little area here and utilize that for support as you pull back down to push back up. So that's basically what they did. They took this key area here, turned it to support, and now reversing it back up to a 682. So that means roughly around 682 could be resistance because there's no other level above that. So they can't use anything else other than 680. Man, I should have played that too. I should have just played. I should have just played that one. It's all good. I mean, I was anticipating we was gonna get a pullback, but I bet $5 the pullback gonna come when I least expect it. I know, but I like to say I know we're gonna get a pullback later on. I know it's coming. Yep. So they held this level, old breakout level here, and got back on up. That's exactly what they did. And the next level, like I said, is gonna be up towards that 82 from yesterday's highs. Oh man. Let me take a look at the let me look at the contracts on that one. What was that? 680, 678, right? 678. But today's the 11th, right? Yeah, today's the 11th. 678, 678, 678. What was the bottoms on those? I was trying to look at the contracts to see what the bottoms was on how low did we go on those. Let me take a look real quick. What was the bottoms on those? Like around 160. I mean, he had a good little move back up to it though. It was still, like I said, it was just a lot of choppiness though, guys. I mean, and I don't blame nobody, man. It was choppy as hell. It was choppy as hell.
Josh Smith, AK-47.
What's up, boss?
Taco Tuesday.
AK, what's up, boss? Good to see you, man. So yeah, guys, yeah. Notice this. Like I said, all they did was this for the day, which has caused a lot of choppiness because we couldn't break back. We couldn't break back below that level, which is why what caused it to push. So right here, guys, this level here, which was resistance. Now all they did now was just turn it now into support and cause that reversal back up, and that's all they did. So they just did pretty much this, and this. That's pretty much what they did. Pretty much what they did. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I knew it was kind of hard to read, man. Like I said, it was so choppy, bro. And I mean, sometimes it happens. But even even throughout all the choppiness, like I told you, as long as you stay above that 80-37 level, you can still play that move up towards these highs. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. It's not a crime or a sin if you want to go for that move. Do it.
Josh Smith, AK-47 says, "Hey,
Ha! Hey, what you cooked today, though, boss? What you cooked today? What you got?" Let me see, 680. Let me see, 682s. Where's the 682s at? He always do that. I'm glad I can't put up pictures. Ha ha. So he can't throw food in my face like he used to do on Traecaster. Oh, he used to always give me with that crap. he used to always give me with that. Yeah, he loved throwing food in my face. I'm like, all right. It's like, all right. I see where we at. I see what time it is, AK. I see what time it is.
AK-47 says,
Ooh.
sour cream enchiladas.
Hey, that do sound good. I ain't gonna lie to you. That do sound good.
Black beans.
That do sound good.
Josh Smith, AK-47 says, LMAO, yeah, you're lucky I'd be sending pics.
I mean, I don't even want to give you the answer to that. I was gonna say, you do have Instagram, and just saying, DMs. I'm just saying. It's just not that it's open. It's not in the public, and everybody's eyes, only mine. So you can't really fully get me. Ha ha.
Josh Smith, AK-47 says, got some salsa, queso to go with.
Man, that sound good though, boss. I ain't gonna lie to you. They do sound good, man. Definitely sound good. Let me try to scroll this. trying to see. Hold on.
Josh Smith AK47 says.
Wait, what the hell?
To cook it up one day.
Oh, I had the Herbin. I pushed the wrong. I got into the wrong contract. I heard break even.
By looking for 600.
In the 82, yeah. I almost went into. I went into the wrong one. I had to Herbin switch it over. I was about to go to my put contracts. I had to Herbin cancel it. Shit, almost went to the wrong contract. Ooh, I almost dropped the ball on that one. Whoo. I was trying to see if I was gonna ride it up. Even though I hate this type of shit. I hate this. Cause I like pullback bounces. Y'all know me. I hate this type of setup. I hate this. It irks my nerves. What time it is? I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for the second half of the market. Because I want to see if the second half is gonna continue on up. You know, from where we at, where we can, get this continuation push. So I'm gonna definitely keep it on watch, man. Because I just hate buying off the VWAP like way in the air. I hate that. When I feel like you just overextended. I hate that. I hate it. I hate trading like that. Excuse me. Yeah, but I definitely hate trading like that. Man, if I wouldn't have known, like I said, it wouldn't have been so damn choppy, man. I definitely would have had a better trade, man. But like I said, it was just so choppy. It was off. I didn't see no real clean-cut patterns today. I just couldn't get in like I wanted to. You drop, then you go back on up. It's just like, it was just all over the place. Spot was all over the place. I didn't even see it. I couldn't even catch it. At least, I'm being honest with y'all. Like I said, you got Apple more of a clean cut. That look like a bull flag pattern. Look how more clean cut Apple is versus Spy. Spy is all choppy, then it goes up. At least with Apple, you could cleanly see the cut. The setup perfectly. So AK, what you how far do you think Apple can push? How far do you think Apple can go up? Am I getting the okay? Do you think we can break back above that 274 for that possible push up to 276 on Apple? Let me see. Let me also look at my chart too. Yeah, man, to break even, almost I went in for the wrong contract. I was like, yeah, that's telling me not to trade. I had to hurry break even. I almost went in. Yeah, it's just I can't trade it. I can't trade like this. I'm not gonna force anything. I had to break even on that crowd, man. I just couldn't see my setup perfectly. And then I was damn near about to go in. I was meaning to go in for a call and accidentally went in on a damn put. So yeah, right? It's just telling me not to trade. That's a clear sign to tell me to chill out. Don't even do it. All right, now we're starting to pull back. Yeah, I don't like this setup, man. It's just making me so uncomfortable. It's making me so damn uncomfortable. So I'm looking at Apple. So I'm trying to see how high Apple can go. I'm trying to figure it out, guys, because it's like, just look at the market, man. Look at this. Just how the hell is SPY holding? That's what I'm not understanding. How is SPY holding? It's no, what the hell? I don't get this. Something's not adding up. I swear it's not adding up. That's the part that's throwing me off so bad. It might sound crazy. I still want to go for a put. I really do. I'm just being honest. I still want to go for a put. And I know I'll be going against the grain, but it's just, I guess I have to wait to see how we're going to close out. This candle going until 1 o'clock. Because I still want to, I'm going to have to wait. I'm going to be patient. Let me not let my emotion get the better of me, guys. Let me be patient and wait. Because I just still see a possible put opportunity. We'll see, man. We'll see. But the sellers got to come in, man. Because they got to break back below that 6. To me personally, they have to break back below that 680.37. 680.37. Yeah, like we gotta break back below those price points. I just still see it, man, because again, I just still feel like I want to go short. I still want to feel like I want to short this bad boy. I still feel like I want to short it. I mean, look at the video. I mean, you see what I mean? Like, what the hell is holding SPY up? That's what I'm not understanding. What could be possibly holding SPY up at the time? Like, what exactly could be holding SPY is what I'm not understanding. And everything else is falling. Nvidia is falling. Apple, I mean, yeah, Apple's is trying to go on this little climb. But I mean, look at the overall market still looking it's just not screaming out nothing. Like, it's just like not bullish. I mean, guys, what you guys think? Let me ask you guys. It's not just about me, it's about you guys. What you guys think? Like, what y'all think? It just, everything that I check, oh, matter of fact, let's do this too. Let's check my 5-year chart. What is my 5-year chart? You know, that's how I go to. Right where that red trend line is at. Let's go, but let's try to verify this. All right, look, red trend line. All right, that's one. Oops, let me do that. Overbought. RSI. Move it down a little bit. So, I'm telling you, it's like right in this area. Cause like I said, the last time we hit this area was in 2021, 2022. We had that massive pullback, but we keep getting blocked right here. You notice that? Right where my trend line is at. And like I said, and I go back to show y'all my proof. The last time we hit this key level was in 2021, 2022. I'll go back far right here. Look, last time we hit that, 2021, 2022, we got that massive yank on down. And then even with SPY, like I said, the old breakout level is all the way back down here, right, which is around 620. 610ish. So we broke above it, been going on this bearish, bullish run, but we never started to pull back down to like retest these old breakout levels. The only breakout level that we tested, that I talked about yesterday, was 480, and that was the one that was for 2021, 2022 that took you out. This level here, see? Then we came back down 2025. We finally retested it after this monstrous run. Finally pulled back down to it. Got that monster push back on up. Look what your next breakout area is. 610, right? Monstrous run, but never got that pull back down yet. So I'm telling you, man, I mean, maybe my timing is off, but guys, I'm telling you, man, I can feel it, man. It's like, it's just disdain timing. I feel it, man. Like this pullback is. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying, man. I'm trying to put you guys on the right side, man. I'm trying. It's like, cause we're already overbought. I mean, and we already in some strong resistance. I'm like, God, like, what other chart do I need to look at to verify this? All right, let me look at a 30-minute. Cause I know I'm not going crazy, guys. I know y'all see all the signs, all the clear signs. All right, let me try my 30-minute. Let's try to get some more verification. All right, let's see. I'm trying every which way, guys, to figure this out. All right, 30-minute time frame. All right, okay, we right back above this key level. Right, we're 480. So we didn't. I mean, we went on this monstrous move back on up, which is understandable. That was that Friday's movement. Now we're at this level here. Right around 480. Right around 480, 481. I'm just trying to figure out, because I just still think some pullback is soon. Like, I'm just trying to figure out where this bad boy gonna be. Like, how much higher can we push before we see a nice pullback coming? So we turned back down here. What? That was around 85. 85 was a pullback. I'm gonna figure this out. I'm gonna figure it out sooner or later. I'm telling you, I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure this crap out. But that's just crazy. I mean, see what I mean? Nvidia's pulling back. What the hell is holding SPY? Nvidia's clearly falling. Apple is clearly falling back underneath. Slowly pulling back down. Like, what the hell is holding SPY up? That's what I'm not understanding. I'm just lost, bro. I'm lost, man. Again, guys, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I tried to figure everything out. I don't know. I don't know. Hmm. I mean, like I say, Apple's still holding. So I mean, let's see. Cause the only ones. Oh, well, I see now. I see Amazon in the green now. Let's see what Amazon's doing. That's crazy, man. I don't know, bro. It's just something about this setup. I don't. I don't know. It's just something about this setup, man. I can't put my finger on it. Like I just again, I don't know. It's just something about this setup. I'm just. All I need is the confirmation, so people don't know I'm going crazy. So people know that I'm telling the truth. It just. I mean, right now, we still broke out. I mean, still got this nice little move on the upside. It just. I tried, guys. I mean, today was just choppy. Today was choppy, man. It was hard for me to even read it. I mean, y'all see how it's driving me crazy and emotional right now. Y'all see what it's doing. Y'all see exactly what it's doing. But yeah, that's crazy. What y'all think, man? I mean, like I said, let me ask you guys this, because it's not just about me, it's about y'all. So, okay, what y'all think? What y'all think? I mean, I'm going to just say, I mean, the way it's setting up right now, I mean, we do have room to push our way back up towards that 682. We do. You know, I mean, all we doing is getting, bouncing off of yesterday's area here before that breakout. All we did was bounce off of that area and just utilizing that to push up towards the highs. So that's pretty much all it's doing. So it's kind of like trying to finish off what it couldn't start yesterday. So, I mean, you broke up, right in the same exact area, around that 689, 678.90. Ran all the way up towards 682, and then pulled right back on down. Same exact price point. 678.90, all the way back up towards that 682. So it's like, God, today was ugly. It was so ugly. Yeah, it was bad trapping for sure. I give it that, man. It was bad trapping. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I was anticipating. I wanted that pullback. I ain't gonna lie to you, Queen. But I ain't gonna lie, I knew an issue was gonna occur right here. That's why I waited. As long as I see that we could crack it, I was like, it ain't nothing I can do about it. But that was my initial game plan also this morning. From this rejection, from 480, after this little pre-market area fall back on down, this was the area I wanted to crack. I wanted to crack this area and then get that nice little pullback down towards that 677 10 level. But that level held. They wound up holding it, and we just couldn't. So let's see. Today is what, Tuesday? So let's go ahead and see. Ooh, let's go back a little bit. Hold up. Let's see. Can we see with these days together? From Friday's movement, Monday's movement, to Tuesday's movement. Hold up, guys. Hold up. Hold on. That's my same chart? It's a different chart. Let me see. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me figure something out real quick. So let me see something. Alright. Let me figure something out as we go. Alright. Okay. I know I'm using the 30-minute for right now. I know I'm using the 30. Okay. So Friday's bounce occurred here. Right? Then Monday's bounce. And then Tuesday's bounce. So is it making a invert? Man, I know this is the left side. So that means you already know the left side is always bullish. then your right side is always bearish. So that means right here is definitely bullish going on the upside. So it's like, how far we gonna push before we get that actual turn when we go from red to green? So from Friday to Monday, Tuesday, we've been holding up. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Still been holding up pretty strong. So I give it that. I give it that. I give it that. So all I'm trying to do is figure it out, guys. You know, as we go into the rest of this week. So I'm trying to do is figure this out. Yep. So you're still on this uptrend. From Friday, Monday, Tuesday, we still on this continuation uptrend. Still on this continuation uptrend. Okay. What time it is? I got about 20 minutes. Man, I wish I would have. I was aiming for that pullback though. We couldn't get that break like I was anticipating. It's all good. So I want to recover in here. So I'm trying to use the pass. I'm just trying to see exactly. Let me go back and step out a little bit more. Hold up. Because we already broke out of this downtrend setup. Hold up. Let me figure something out. Let me try to figure. Oops. Let me try to figure something out. I mean, could I move this here? Nah, hell no. No. That's too. Nah. Do away with that. Not that with that idea. I'm trying to figure it out, guys. I'm trying to figure this out. Even looking at my 30-minute time frame. I'm just trying to figure something out. I'm trying to just figure something out as we go. I know we had a dump back this way. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to see. Okay, these are the true bottoms right here. It's the bottoms. I think this the bottom. I'm trying to line it up so I can make a duplicate copy so I can make the tops. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to figure something out. So the bottoms match right here. Okay. So let's take this duplicate copy. So far we got, we got this bounce, despite the little drop, we got right back on top of that as a bounce. So, all right, let's move up to, okay, what's going to be some levels from, let's see, ran up towards these tops, came back on down. Okay. All right. So we got a top, we got a bottom so far. These bottoms. All right. So, I'm gonna figure it out. Give me a minute, guys. Hold up. So that means that's gonna be the top for right now. That means this should be the bottoms for right now. This moment in this little range, 30-minute range. So that means we're gonna have a middle area. Where's this little mid area gonna be? Let's see. So you should have a mid area that's gonna act as support and resistance. Okay. Make that yellow. 2. Okay. I'm trying to catch on, guys. Okay. I'm trying to figure this out as we go. Okay. Cause again, the reason why I have this set up. Okay, because you gotta think about it. The bottoms bounce, and despite the pullback, we got right back on top of that trend line and bounce. So that means we recovered that. So tops rejected, and then again, this yellow trend line acted as resistance and also acted as support. So that's accurate. Okay. So, because I mean, we already had a couple handle pattern hit this way already. We already had a couple handle patterns. So the question is now what are we forming? Going back this way. Let me see. I don't see no inverted head and shoulders. So it's nothing to be nothing to be alarmed on that one yet. Because I don't see nothing inverted just yet. So I do see this little range that we back in. So like I said, we minus this drop. We right back on top of this, right back in this little setting, this uptrend setting right now. So we got that so far on where we at. I'm not gonna keep going. I ain't gonna go too high until we get to those levels. Okay, so ran up as high as 687. Right, we got above that price point. We're above that. Okay, so what's the next key level up? What would be the next key level up on this bad boy? I mean, 85. I mean, I give it 85. I mean, that's your mid area. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna figure it out though, guys. I mean, like I said, once I get the rest of this, I'll post it. But I mean, so far, man, I just try to come up with something right in front of y'all. So now y'all can see how I do my lines. You know, how I come up with lines and stuff. I mean, because I know Nadia was asking that, and she kind of see how I did it. You know, Queen and for the rest of y'all, how I came up with trend lines. That I don't make it up. All I do is match things that make sense. You know, I mean, because look how the market plays off of it. Look, rejected, pull back, rejected, pull back, support, bounce, support, bounce, support, bounce, support, bounce. See what I mean? So you know I don't make it up. I don't make up the lines. I just read the charts. That's it. So all we're trying to do now is figure out, okay, what are we doing now on this side? Because again, you gotta keep it, okay. We gotta keep in mind that we already came out of a downtrend, about what, two weeks of downtrend. So we could be rallying back on up towards the upside. You know, so not to maybe, you know, start to look for shorts too soon. You know, not to look for shorts too soon. Until, you know, we get back below certain price points. Which right here is one of the main ones. You can see where we had this massive dump underneath that price point. Now that we're back on top of it. So, cause trust me, I mean, I wouldn't mind some shorts either. But we gotta respect what the market is telling us, guys. We gotta respect it. You know, it's telling us that it's holding, but we gotta respect that. We have to respect it. It's telling us that it's still holding. You know, it's not yet time for a nice drop yet. I mean, we gotta respect it. Because trust me, I was wanting it. But, I mean, look at this. You're just still on the uptrend. Crossed above the 200-day moving average. Now towards the bullish side of things, so you got to respect it. You got to respect it. I mean, now instead of going on a downtrend, now you're on an uptrend. So, I mean, we put everything together. So, I mean, that's all we can do right now. Just let the wave ride. I mean, just, we try to post everything. We try to put everything together. And, I mean, nothing else I can come up with. I mean, we done looked at my 5-year chart. Now we done looked at my 30-minute chart. I mean, you know, despite on all, you know, the red that we do see, I mean, but the overall pattern is telling us it's still moving up. So, I know it sucked, man. Because, I mean, especially throughout this choppiness, that's what caught me off guard today. I ain't gonna lie, that choppiness caught me. It caught me off. It caught me big time. I mean, I made small profit, but I mean, it wasn't nothing to, like I said, nothing to brag about. I mean, I caught the little pullback this morning when we did have those consecutive red candles back down. You know, I caught that, but I wanted to drop from this price point even lower. Like I wanted, I had my stuff already set up. What was it? Wait, what my price? Oh. I'm on the wrong day. My bad. Sorry about that. Yeah, I wanted my pullback to go back down this way. Yeah, so I caught some of the pullback this way, and I noticed that we couldn't crack the 678.90, so that's why I got out. Cause I noticed we couldn't crack it. Every time we'll try to yank it, we'll come right back and recover. So I seen that level was holding up pretty well. So I couldn't take a risk on it. But yeah, that choppiness did throw me off today. I ain't gonna lie, it did throw me off big time. Cause I ain't gonna lie, put versus the call. Not gonna lie to you, I'll just tell you the God to the truth. I was anticipating a continuation dump, but we just didn't get it. So it is what it is. So I was trying, just ain't working in my favor. It just ain't working in my favor. So it happens. It happens, man. I mean, even on my 12-hour chart, guys, I mean, the candles are still holding pretty strong, so it's no red candles yet. I mean, even on my 12, it's still holding up. And I know, guys, the view count keep going up and down. It's because the damn thing keeps getting an error every single time, man. I get an error, it goes up and down. I mean, I don't know. It's like, I don't know, because the extension on how long I do my live streams, I don't know how OBS, how it functions off the bit rates. I don't know how that functions. You know, based off the hours, I don't know. But yeah, look right here, guys. We still haven't got no red candles yet. Look at this. No red candles yet. It just been green. And I thought we was gonna get it right here. This was just the areas I was going for. I thought we was gonna get it, but nope. So that's why I didn't go in too hard. I mean, I didn't go in too hard or too strong. That's why I kind of played it small. That's why I just kept my eyes peeled to see if we was gonna crack certain key levels, and we didn't. So I had to respect it that it's still holding. I have to respect it. Yep. And the reason, and I'm gonna tell you another reason why I was going in for a put, because this upper shadow. This upper shadow, I seen that was falling back down underneath that price point. So I was expecting a possible green and red move back down to the downside. But it just didn't pan out, man. It just didn't pan out today. It just didn't pan out. So you get some, you win some, you know, you lose some. So it is what it is, man. And as I told y'all guys, as well, be very careful because you are breaking out of this downtrend setup too. You're going from a downtrend, a bearish side, to now a bullish side. So just be careful with going with shorts a lot too. Because now that you're crossing over, so with shorts, you definitely want to look for some strong resistance now crossing over towards the bullish side of things instead of getting caught in bad traps. So that's why this morning, I wait for this little movement here, and I just caught a little move on down, got in and got out. But I did not hold this key level. See, that's why I got out. See? Just like me and AK was calling out 682. So, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Back up to these old highs from yesterday. Now, how high can we go now from this level if we do break? Would it be the next key level? Did we have some levels higher than this before? Yeah, I think we did, didn't we? Yeah, way back here, of course. What was that? Where we at right now? Oh, 82. So we about to test 82. Okay, so last time we was above 82, where did we go? So like I said, guys, let's just base off the past on, you know, certain key levels. Okay. So we know above. Let's see on how high can we run from the bottoms of 82s. You know, what's the main areas of resistance? 86. 86, between 86, 84, between those levels. But let me see, because I'm trying to get the 682 levels when we ran last time. Okay, 682s ran up towards, yep, 686. Then you came right back on down to my 669.50. So yeah. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm like, if we do break out, let's just say above 82, on how much higher can we push? That's why I was doing that. That's why I was doing that. So it's like, say for instance, we do break 82, how much high? Because I know a lot of y'all gonna ask me how high can we go? Because I already know that's gonna be coming. How high can we push, Jay? Like, so I say 84, 86 ish. Because, I mean, we just have a continuation going on. I mean, from Friday to Monday to Tuesday. I mean, we do. I mean, look right here. It's in your face. You can't deny it. Friday, Monday, Tuesday still uptrending. I mean, the move is right there. It's like I said, there's no way to deny it. So, man. God, why I had to play me today. I was aiming for my puts too, man. I was so excited. Oh, I was so excited for my puts, cause man, guys, y'all don't realize, like, man, I was just so like, man, what about we crack and fall back down to these lows? I was so excited. I had my game plan set in motion, and it just didn't. I was waiting on it. But that's why I kept watching this level. I kept watching this level because we couldn't break. Every time, we couldn't crack it. Every time we couldn't crack it, I just like, we can't trade. I can't. It's not gonna go to. I already knew it wasn't gonna go to my price point. It's not gonna fall back down to my alert. Look what happened. Wind up holding and going back up. So let's see, can we play? Because I know it's some puts that wanna go short. I know it's a lot of y'all that like the short versus going long. So that's why I'm just trying to figure out levels towards the tops that you know you could take advantage of. I mean, 82. I mean, the only things that I see, because I know we went way even higher than that. I mean, basically back up to that old high day, the all-time high, which was damn near 690. But then after that, you had damn near 686. You know, once you got back above 82, see 82. 686, 686 back down to 682. Same thing here, 686, 682. So, because I know a lot of y'all gonna be asking, you know, how much higher can we go? So, I mean, that's gonna be the possible ranges. As this bad boy is still looking strong and it's still squeezing. It still look like it wanna go even higher. And the crazy part about it, we only in the first half of the market. That's the crazy part. We're in the first half of the market still. The second half doesn't start until what, 1 o'clock? And it's still pushing. It's still squeezing. And look, god damn it, look at the count on the 12-hour chart. It's still, man, yeah, I wouldn't be trying to short right now. Yeah, the way this is looking at, I wouldn't be trying to short right now. Yeah, it's just too strong still. I tried it. Said nope. It just said nope. It's a no-go. So I'm gonna play small. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just try it. I'm gonna just test it. I mean, I know right now we have some tops. I mean, could I put a little small to see, can we get a push, up above, the 670, 82s up to 84s? I mean, go for a little small. I mean, I could. I mean, I'm gonna go with something cheap just because, I mean, I hate buying at these tops, but just to see, can we actually get that continuation push from 1 o'clock all the way up? I mean, I'll give it a small test. I'll try it. Let me see if it's gonna take it. I got 84 contracts to see if we can. Oh, like, dang it! I don't even was gonna grab it. God dog, get this started squeezing right before he got to it. Can I get a pull back down to my entry real quick, please? Please. But I'm not chasing you. 'Cause I know you're gonna yank back. I already know what you're gonna do. Yank back. I know what you're gonna do. Pull back. Pull back. Come on. There we go. That should be one entry. One entry back down. Let's see. You gonna take it or not? It's like it's set right on top of it and bounce. Is it gonna take it? I'm just doing one. I'm just doing one for right now. I'm gonna add more. But I just want to see. Waiting to see if it's gonna. All right, there you go. All right, that's one. Should I add two? Cause all I'm doing is watching this level. I could add two. That'd be 20, right? What's some more lows at on this? What was the 8? Look like the second half of the market gonna pop. I mean, you can't deny what it's doing. You can't deny what it's doing. I can't knock it, So I mean, I can't take that from it. But we'll keep it on wide closes, and right now still holding on top of 682.50. So I mean, right now, it look like so I'll just hold it out and see. I'll keep it on watch. I'll see. I'll keep it on watch. Like I said, I just went in with something small, nothing big, because like I said, today we just been choppy, but I'm gonna just play small, something small. So just in case it don't hold and pulls, I'm gonna just only went in with one. So even if it pull back, I'll add in some more after pullbacks, back down here. Cover these levels now that we done broke above that. Oh man, I'm tired, man. It's like this weather too, man. This weather's making me so tired right now too, guys. It's like the weather, man. It's getting cooler, man. It's like sleep weather. It's literally like draining me. It's like draining weather. Yeah, it's going up. Man, it's going up. Just let's see. I'm gonna see. God, I hate buying at these levels, though. I swear I hate buying at these levels. Still pushing. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. What time we got? 3 minutes. Trying to stay on top of 82. 82, so could we push up even higher? We'll see. I'll take it. Do we push up higher? Okay. That. Okay. Let's see what we get, guys. Amazon is picking back up. Apple's holding. Still watching this level. 82. We got about 3 minutes left. 3 minutes. See if we're gonna stay on top of it. If not, then we may fall back underneath and pull back. So that's why I'm not chasing. I'm not chasing.
Traedz2202 says.
Call.
You're in a call.
Yeah, call. I was just playing. I mean, I was just on small. I was just small position. Because I just want to see. I'm watching this key level here. Because like I said, if it pull back, I'll add more. But if it just takes off, I mean, that's why I want to see what's going to happen as we go into the second half of the market. We got about 2 minutes. So that's why I want to see on how we're going to, how we're going to close out. We're going to 1 o'clock. We're going to stay above 82 real quick. So that's why I want to see what's going to happen. I mean, if it squeezes, I'll take a little small profit on it. I mean, something small. Ain't nothing. Should I reset myself though and go a little bit low? Let me do this. Let me do this, guys. Wait, what the hell? Wait. Whoa, wait. Why I took my oh. So what I'm gonna do is, if we do get a pullback, I want to reset myself because I want to see, can we?
Traedz2202 says.
Yeah.
Time to hibernate.
Yeah, that's what I want to see, because that's what I want to see what's about to happen. Because if we do pull back, I can add in more lower down this way for a bounce back up. But man, that's what I want to see what it's gonna do real quick at 82, and especially with 1 o'clock coming in. Let me see what's gonna happen. Now, the reason why I was hesitating a little bit, because I don't know if we're gonna break out and hold due to what happened before. Now we hold. I can get back in and ride on up. But let's see. How high did we go last time? Right about this little section here. Like I said, I wouldn't mind a little pullback bounce, man, where I get in lower with a lot more shares. A lot more shares to get in and push. What we got left? 10 seconds. 10 seconds going into 1 o'clock, guys. 10 seconds going into 1 o'clock. 10 seconds. Are we gonna hold? 5 seconds, right above 82. Look like we're gonna hold right about now. All right, so it look like we're holding. Okay. I just want some little pullback, man. I just want some more pullbacks. I wouldn't mind a quick pullback, then a bounce back up to the upside. Where's the VWAP at? VWAP, still, let me see. VWAP is back down here still. This bad boy still squeezing too. Ooh. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. Hold up. I know what I could do. Play a little small position, but going with a shitload of shit. Let me see if it's gonna work. If I can do that. Let me see if it's gonna let me. Trying to figure out which strike price I want to go with real quick. Cause I know right now I'm still pushing. Cause I want to go in like damn near at least 5 contracts. Make a little something. Well, I don't care. If I got a scalp, that's still money up. I don't care. And we still squeezing up too. 86, 85. Yep, there you go. Yep, just like I had a feeling it was gonna do. There go that pull. There go that push. There go that push. Remember I told you we break above 82. I told you break above 82. I know what I'm gonna do this. Hold up. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna section them out. Five contracts that'll put me at what? 10, 15. 5, 10, 15. And look at that, guys. Still squeezing. Look at this. Still squeezing. Let's go back a little bit. Remember 82? Last time we did 82? Broke above 82. Like I said, ran up as high as what, 86? Close to 86, 85, 86, somewhere in that bracket. Once you get back above 82. Yeah, see all the leverage you have when you're above 82? See that? When you're above 82, the ranges you can go. 86. How high did we go on this one? Around 84. So it looks like you still got some room. So what's going to be the closest? Look like this one is going to be... Is this one going to be first? Yeah, it's gonna be around. Let me go back a little bit. Let me see. Where we at right now? Yeah, so we are breaking above 82. Back above 82. So it gotta be 86. The last time we was at 82, we ran up to 86, then fell back on down. This one was 79, 79.50 up to 84. Came back on down. So I'm just trying to figure out the range, like in the 82. As long as you stay above 82, I'm just trying to figure out the range that it holds. So, like, in other words, what I'm trying to do is this. Like, let me eliminate these for right now. So, let's just say we hold 82. So, all I'm trying to do is figure out, what's the range being between 82 and above. And all I'm trying to do is just kind of match up these different areas. See that? From 82, roughly almost 86, then you pull back down. So, you see the little range here. So, let's see. I'm just trying to see how powerful that range was. Like, how long did we stay in that range? Well, we seen that range over and over and over and over again. Was in that range before. Was in that range before. Was in that range before. Then we fell out of the range, and now trying to get back in that range. So let's see. Yep, see that? Okay, so that's what it looked like they're trying to do. So it looked like they're trying to stay in that range. In between, so if we stay above 82, the next key level, possible level up is 84 to that 86. If they do go in, I'm saying if those buys come in strong and we get that continuation push, those going to possibly be your next key levels. 84 to 80, like around 86 when you get this continuation push. Let me also verify that too. But yeah, that's mainly what I see, guys. I mean, it's just a continuation push from Friday. From Friday, Monday, going into Tuesday. See that? The bottoms from Friday, Monday, Tuesday. So all they're trying to do is go back to these old highs above 82. And like I said right here, when you was above 82 at one point, we ran up as high as close to 86. Then you came right back on down in that range until we cracked 82. Then you fell back on down. So we ain't gonna think too far ahead. We're gonna think right where we at. So 82, we'll just say 82, 86. We say 82, 86. It's kind of just based off of this little setup we have before, we cracked and fell out of it. So we know the range that we can run up to right now. Possibility. So from 82, 84, 86. So let me round it off. I'll put 86. So that'll be the possibility that we could possibly run. So we'll see. But that's crazy that the market was just weak. And I'm like, what the hell is like... That's the crazy part. Like, for us to go on this bullish run and, like, the market's not even in the green. That's the part that just blew my mind. It's like that's the crazy part. That's the part that blew my mind right there. And look at that. Still got that green continuation. Look at this. Going into the second half of the market. So this bad boy might not even stop. I ain't gonna lie to you. This bad boy might, I'm just gonna tell you, it might not stop. This damn thing might not stop. The route this is going, it may not stop. Until we get to those certain price points. Let's see. Because, I mean, look at this right now. What price? What was that? What price point I had before down here? That was what, 78.90? Yeah, 78.90 was the bottom where we started from. Yeah, some 78.90s. Then you got right back on top of 82. Yeah, look at this. This is a clear uptrend. Look at this. Look at that pattern. Look at your indicators. Man, that's bullish. That's bullish all the damn way. I would not be trying to short this. Yeah, I would not try to short this. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I wouldn't short that. Yeah, when you see something like this, yes, stay clear of trying to short this. Yeah, that's definitely a no-go. That's definitely a no-go. Because whenever you see a move like this, something like this, it's like they're purposely aiming for a certain price point. because it's like it's not gonna end. It's like they're purposely aiming to hit a certain price point. When you see a pattern like this, yeah, be very careful on that. You know, trying to short this until you get full confirmation. I'll be careful trying to short this. Yeah, just be careful on it. I mean, if you're gonna go for it, I mean, be in and out. Be in and out until we get some massive, engulfing red candles in. But after this reversal, I mean, look at this uptrend. Look at this. You got way more green candles than red candles now that you reverse. Look at that, green with a few red in it. So yeah, so you see who has control at right now at this moment. That's those damn buyers. So I would not be trying to be careful shorting it. I'll be careful shorting it.
The Stock Traders Almanac has today Veterans Day as a bearish, low volume day.
Yeah, it's low volume, but that bad boy still holding. Cause I mean, you got Apple still holding, that's contributing to SPY. You got Amazon still holding, that's contributing to SPY. So you got these bad boys all still holding. I mean, look at this. Apple still trying to push his way back up to 275. So as long as those push, SPY gonna follow it. I mean, and you already know Apple is the queen bee of the bunch, so that's still looking good and healthy. So as long as that keeps aiming for 75, SPY gonna keep pushing its way up, and it's the truth. It's gonna follow it. As long as that bad boy shows strength, SPY gonna show strength. So that's what I'm telling y'all. Be very careful shorting it. I mean, look at this pattern. I mean, it's just an uptrend pattern. It's just a continuation. Try to jump in on the short. I'll be very careful. Just be very careful until we get a nice confirmation. But the only thing that we broke above certain key levels that I wanted for a put, but I'll let it push up even higher. That'll do me even more justice. Now the other area I do see is 84, and we're not too far from it. Yeah, we could push up too. I do see 84. So yeah, this is crazy. This choppiness is insane. Man, this choppiness is insane, man. It's crazy. But like I said, look at Apple. I mean, Apple is in one of your top gainers for today. Amazon too, right? Yeah, Amazon too. Those are only two that's in the green. Everything else in the red. Yeah, Amazon, Apple. So long as that holds.
Enzer Materi says.
Ines, what's up, boss? What's up, boss? Yeah, see that? Look. See once that one get a green candle? See what I mean? It follows it. See? I told you. As long as that bad boy keep feeding up, it's gonna help SPY speed up. It's gonna just help it keep pushing. So just be mindful of that.
Terry says, Tesla short, what do you think?
Tesla short? I mean, like I said, the rest of these on a pullback. Well.
357 DMB says.
Oh yeah. First half. Yeah.
Walking through the first half of the day, seeing buying coming to play the second half.
Yeah. Well, and Larry, I'm gonna tell you another area too, boss. Was the what held SPY up to was yesterday's area here, right here, the beginning of intraday yesterday, right around that 679, 678.90 level that we got pulled back from. All they did was just take that area, went from resistance to support. See that? All they did was take this old key area, and as we came back down today, they utilized that for support and ricocheted to take out the area that we ran up to towards the market close, which was 682. So that's all they did. They just took yesterday's movement and just that's all they did to benefit them today. Pretty much to benefit them today. That's pretty much what they did. I mean, nothing wrong with that. I mean, that's a smart move. I ain't gonna lie to you. Very, very smart and strategic move. And then on top of that, if you go back a little bit, I mean, we are on a continuation uptrend. So again, if we go back a little bit right here, guys, look. It's just a continuation uptrend from Friday. Let me minimize a little bit. Yeah, look on my 5. Minimize it just a little bit. Look, after Friday's bounce, Monday, higher low. Tuesday, higher low. Y'all notice that? All it's doing is making like an uptrend. Friday, Monday, Tuesday with possible more room to push up towards the upside. Now, last time we got above 82. Go back a little bit further than that. We ran up as high as, see, last time we stayed on top of 82, we ran up as high as 86. Then we came back on down. So we know we stay above 86.
Jackie Garcia W4B says.
I can't stand that.
Little bit.
I want to curse so bad. I'm trying to keep this PG-13. Um, Jesus take the wheel. But yeah, guys. But notice this area right here too. Like, so okay, look what happened when you stayed on top of 86. You went from 86 up towards what? Close to 89, right? Almost towards that 690 level, back on down. So you can see on how important these levels can feed off each other, right? You again, 82, you can push up to 86. 86, you can push up to 89, close towards the 690. So that's why those areas are gonna be very important. So keep that in mind as we're going back up that way. So we already know what areas possibly to look forward towards. 86, 89. So we already know. And look at this. You still got an uptrend. You haven't crossed over the 200-day moving average. You're still on a continuation uptrend. Okay, it's getting on my nerves. But let's see. Cold blooded. It's all good.
Jackie Garcia W4B says, "You don't say."
Nah, whatever. Don't whatever. Don't make me put you on blast.
Jackie Garcia W4B
Yeah,
says,
you better quit.
Okay.
Yeah, you better quit. You know what? No, bump this. I'm gonna say it. How the hell you come on my YouTube and yet I still haven't? I don't get a phone call from you to check up on my kids and none of that. Like, what person does that? What person doesn't communicate, as co-parent? See what I'm saying? Like, that's the type of stuff that irritates me. Like, and that's why I've been quiet and silent. It's like, you don't have the nerve to call somebody, which is a call, it only takes a few seconds out of your life to do. But yet, everybody can get on social media and text a Bible scripture versus calling it takes seconds. And it's like, what type of crap is that to treat somebody like that? It's like, man, that's foul, man. Because it's like, to treat somebody less than a human being, that's like, man, what the hell? It's like disrespectful. That's just belittling somebody. That's just like, I mean, if you could treat a dog better than you can treat a human, that's fucked up, You can't call me, like I said, call to check, to let me know you okay, see if I'm okay, spend time with my son. It's like, dude, come on, man. Like, that is childish, man. Like, I had to call it out for what it is. Like, I had to. It is what it is, man. I mean, I speak truth. I mean, also, you know me. I don't hide nothing. But anyway. But yeah, guys, keep everything on watch. All right, guys, we're still holding 682. 682. Next key level, like I said, possible level next, guys, 684. 684. And like I said, guys, I don't hate her or dislike her, but it's like, why act that way? You know what I'm saying? Like, bruh, if you can get on social media, you can get on everything else. You can get on the phone to make a call. Your life is not at risk. To just say, man, this is how I'm doing. How you doing? Especially as co-parents. Like, that's simple, right? But why make something simple hard as hell? I mean, to me, when somebody does that like that to me, the people I care for, that's letting me know, like, how much you think of me.
Traedathon says,
what's up, Taylor? That's just let me know how much you think of me as a person, how much you think of me as a human being, how much you think of me as the father of your children. Like, to not reach out to me that easy, but you can do everything else. And then I try calling, you don't pick up. You don't answer, like, treat me like a stranger. I'm like, what the hell? It's like, what kind of shit is that? It's like, I don't do anything to you but treat you with utmost respect, and you treat me like but you can come on, but you got the proof. You can see she showed up on my YouTube, right? She showed up on my YouTube. in which I don't have nothing against that. But have respect for me outside of my live stream. I'm a human being at the end of the day. Tomorrow's not promised to us. Man, make a call. How are you doing, man? Let me know how well you're doing. You're pregnant. We supposed to be working together as a team, man. Like, come on, man. That's childish. But I had to say what I had to say, man. Because I'm tired of I'm tired of people running over me, man. I'm tired of me being nice to certain people, and people always just take me for granted, man. Take my kindness for weakness, and I do nothing but respect them, but they treat me like shit. At least I'm being honest. I'm being a real person, man. And how is that to treat somebody like that doesn't do nothing to you, but respect you and treat you with respect? Last time I hit her up, I said something positive. You're a good mom. You know, man, keep up the good work. Man, you got this. Keep your head up. And that's still not worthy enough for you to call me? And speak to me like I'm a stranger. Like, who the hell, like, who does that? Like, come on, man. It's ridiculous, man. I mean, to play games like that, man. People are too grown for that, man. I mean, you just seen it pop up on my thing. If you got the energy to pop up on YouTube, you got the energy to call me. You got the energy to text me. Talk about our kids, or talk about what's going on in your life, whatever the case may be. But stop treating me like a stranger. You know, that's foul, man. I've done nothing to this woman, but yet I still get treated like shit, and everybody else get a pat on their ass or whatever. Like, I'm getting tired of that, man. I'm always a nice guy, and the nice guy always get ran over. Sick of that. It's a time out for that. And again, I don't hate her. I still got much like that's the mother of my children. I got nothing but love and respect for her. But I just want her to have love and respect for me. If I can treat you like a human being,
Larry 57 DMB says, sometimes people only value you till you're gone.
Thank you.
And some play those games because they know it bothers the other person.
Yeah, exactly. It's like a narcissist or somebody that's addicted to dominancy. Like a woman, like, she'll treat a man like crap. And, you know, want the man to chase behind her. That type, like, stop that, man. Stop. Like, be adults, man. And it just hurt me because I'm like, y'all know me, man. I love my kids, man. I love all my children. When have you ever seen me neglect my children? You always see me even bring my kids on my live streams, showing you how proud of my kids am I. You know, come on, man. But they play childish games for what? My thing is, no, I'm gonna tell you, and I'm gonna tell you, Larry, what irks my nerve as well. They got the energy.
AK-47 says, dollars by toll.
Man, yeah, you right. Nah, you was right, boss. No, not one thing that irks my nerve with some people. They got all the energy.
AK-47 says, watch for sell-off in PH. Enzrematary says, I don't want to stick my nose on someone's business, but maybe all these due to depression in pregnancy symptoms.
And I understand that. But it's like, whatever you're going through, I'm here for you. Talk to me. I'm not your enemy. I'm your friend. I mean, and also, you know, your co-parent. But if I was the enemy or she hated me, why are you reaching out to me on my YouTube in front of everybody? So that lets you know that we don't have no beef between each other. But it's like, I go through depressions, but I'm still going to call and check up on you. You know, but just show some type of care and concern. Like, damn, like somebody's thinking about you, and you matter to somebody in a sense, you know. But not treat you like a dog and treat you like crap. Treat you like a fucking work schedule. Because I reach out to, and I'm gonna tell you why.
2202 says, you're a good man, Jay. There needs to be more honest blokes like yourself.
And that's the hurtful part about it. It's like, and I try to reach out, but what hurts me the most is, okay, I try to reach out to people that don't want to answer my calls, but you got the energy to get on social media? It's like, and I'm checking up on you to show you that I care about your well-being, and you don't hit me up for nothing. You treat me like crap. I help you put two beautiful children in your life, and you treat the dad like that? I mean, I understand about depressions, but I'm not but think about it is, don't take it out on me. Let me help you work through it. That's the thing that pisses me off. Don't take that out on me. Because you gotta understand how that makes me feel. Because now you make me feel like a bad person. Now you make me feel like I'm doing something wrong. Now I'm to blame. You know, I'm tired of that. It's like, talk shit out. Communicate. People what people fail to do is now these days, the lack of communication. Talk. Open your mouth. F social media, man. Talk. Use what God gave you. Like people can be so quick to text a whole Bible verse versus getting on the phone to say what you just text in a shorter period of time. Make it make sense, man. Like, come on, bro. I understand about the depressions and all that, but that still don't take things out on me if I'm reaching out to. Even though you're going through depression, it's a phone call away. It's a phone call to say I don't feel like talking. It's a phone call to say I'm going through something. But just to block somebody or not hear from that person, you don't know what's going on in their life. You don't know they're going through an emergency situation. I don't know my kids going through an emergency situation. Like, come on, man. It's ridiculous. But I mean, like I said, she's not a bad. And again, I'm gonna speak for her. She's not a bad person. Not a bad. And again, I'm here to vouch for it. She's not a bad person. You know, I do give her the utmost respect. Shout out to her. But man, I've just been sick of that, man. Like playing these little games, bro. Like, I mean, you text just like she just did on Face, but you don't call. Like, I don't hear from my son. I mean, like, come on, dude. We gotta stop this. Like, life is too short to be playing games, bro. Like, we gotta stop this madness, bro. No matter what you're going through, you should still never take anything out on anybody. Have respect for one another. Just because you have a bad day, what you gonna do? And especially if you work in a job, what you gonna do? Go to your job and then take it out on customers? Oh, I'm gonna hit you in the face. I'm gonna throw something at you because I had a bad day at home. What did that customer have to do with you? I had to say what I had to say, man, because I mean, enough is enough, man. But again, I'm a grown man, and again, but I show levels of respect to everybody. And again, you guys know how much I love my children, how much I want to be there for my kids. Like, come on, man. But enough of these games, man. It's a timeout. Because again, just like what NS and them was saying, you never know what you got good till you lose it, man. And then you go, and well, I'm sorry, Larry said, you never know what you got good till it's gone, then you complain about it. It's like, come on, bro. But anyway, back to our trading. All I said, like I said, all I asked was just a level of respect, man. That's it. Stop treating me like a stranger. I mean, and the reason why it irks me, guys, I've been through this before. She so-called say she wasn't gonna do this with our daughter. You know, however she did with my son. I'm never gonna put you through it what I did. You doing the same exact damn thing. The same exact thing. It's ridiculous, man. But again, I respect her. I still got love for her, man. I don't hate her, man. But we gotta stop that shit, bro. And guys, and like I said, she's a good woman, man. She's a good person. She's a good person. You know, I don't want nobody to be mad at her. You know, again, she could be going through things, but you know, and I'm vouching for her. She is a good woman, man. She is a good woman, and she's a great mom. So, she's a great mom. So y'all heard that's from me. She's a great mom. But all I just, like I said, all I ask from her is just a level of respect. That's it. Level of respect, man. All right, guys, back to focusing, man. Back to focusing. I'm sorry I had to vent it out, man. But because I've been holding it in. I had to let it out, bro. I've been holding it in because I was just tired of it. And I'm just being honest. I was just tired of feeling that. I was tired of feeling that hurt, that aggravation, man. Because again, I'm just not. You're not doing anything to nobody, and yet they take things out on you or treat you a certain way, and it goes to like make you feel bad about yourself, or you're like, no, man. I got tired of that. No. That's just a timeout with all of that. Especially, no. Don't ever let nobody, poison your mind and make, especially if you're a good person and you know you're trying to do right by people. man, it don't matter whether they stubborn or not. Don't never let them change who you are as a person, man. You continuously keep being that great person you are, loving person, respectful person, and much as possible, man.
Bro, you are good giver, but you have to love yourself also. Don't burn yourself always.
Nah, you're right. And that's why I love you too, boss. Cause I love you, cause you, Larry, all of y'all, all y'all. I mean, that's why I love y'all to death, man. Because now y'all see what I mean when I say y'all saved my life. Because I go through things in my personal life, and you guys are here to, always have my back, man. You AK-47, all the rest of you guys. That's why I love y'all to death, man. That's why I try to, go over the stock markets with y'all as much as I can, man. Because y'all done so much for me than a lot of people. I mean, y'all had my back. Y'all never ran from me. Y'all supported me. Y'all, and I mean, y'all been more realer than anybody I know. I mean, well, my family, of course. That's automatic. My mom, my brothers, my sister, my dad, and all of them, love them to death. That was gonna have my back. But other than that, I mean, like, man, y'all held it down for me for the longest, man. I appreciate y'all, and I thank y'all for that. Appreciate y'all. But like I said, she's not a bad person, man. I'm just sick of that shit. Just you trying to be helpful to somebody, and you just treat them like that for what? That's the part I don't understand. Treat them like crap for what? You can do everything else but call and come on, man. But shout out to all of y'all, man. Again, thank y'all for the love and support, man. I appreciate y'all. And I'm sorry for going off script, man. I just had to, man. It just aggravated me because I was tired of just pretending. I got sick of that, bro. I got tired of pretending, man. It's time out for that, bro. So enough is enough. Life is short, man. That's what I'm saying, y'all guys. Love everybody. Tell everybody y'all love them. Give them a phone call. Tell them how much y'all miss them. Tell them how much y'all appreciate them. Stop wasting time, man. Tomorrow's not promised to us. We got to get this God complex out of our heads to thinking that we own the next day. We don't own nothing. It's up to God. God give us life, life to live and, breath to breathe, So stop taking that for granted. Stop playing like you're God. Stop that. Just be grateful each day you wake up. And it's up to you what you make in within every 24 hours a day, your day. Make the best of it, man. But stop playing around. Stop playing games. Stop taking people for granted. Stop taking life for granted. Because when you push people away and they don't want nothing to do with you, you can't cry about it. Because if I wouldn't have said nothing, it was going to be the same routine. That's why I had to say something. It's gonna do the same routine. She follow me. She hit me up on YouTube. Hit me up on Facebook. Don't hear from her. Weekend, she just completely disappear. Wait for the weekday. Then come on, man. I'm not on that type of time. I'm not on that type of schedule. Like, just have respect for me and treat me like a damn human being. Reach out to me just like I reach out to you. I'm not your damn enemy. Like, stop with the bull crap, man. Just cut that shit out. I mean, you get mad, I don't care. But I had to let it out because it's time for you to stop treating people like that. So enough is enough.
Larry 0357 DMV says, we appreciate you, bro.
And Larry, that's why I love y'all too, man. And I definitely appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all for having my back, man. Now y'all see a lot of things that I go through that I don't talk about. Now you see what I mean? I just try to keep the raps because I try to be nice. And but enough is enough, man. It's going on for too damn long, And the reason why I had to say something because she haven't dealt with it. I did. I had to deal with that pain when it came down to my son. My son was out of my life for over 3 years. So that woman would never understand the pain that especially a man that loves his children goes through. What that puts us through. But she just told me you want to go do the same thing to our daughter that you did with our son. Now you pregnant, but I don't hear from you. You don't call. You don't keep me updated with nothing. I call. You don't pick up. We're not enemies. You have no reason to not pick up especially if I'm calling out the kindness of my heart to check up on you. I'm giving you no reason, but what pisses me off is she could give a dog, when she has a pet, you could give a dog way more respect than me. The hell, like, where did we go from there? But they can't be mad on the things that they do. Just because people call your ass out on it. You do it, get called out on it. But do better. I got called, man, and I'll be honest, I got called out even back, back in the day.
Hit that like button before we get the business up in here.
Oh man, tell a shot to you. And again, I don't mean to rant. Because I just want to let people know like what I go through, man. Like, I mean, I'm a good person trying to do right by people, and you got some people that just still continuously run over you that just don't see you. Like that's and me and her been dealing with each other for years, and for you to still not see me, it's like it's ridiculous, man. To not say, man, that's the father of my children, man. Let me hit him up, man. Let me ask how he's doing, man. Man, thank you for being a great dad to my children. Or let me get our son to get on FaceTime with you. Or letting me have him call you. Or let him come spend time. It's like something. You just blank out.
Focus on you and the kids.
And that's what I have to do, and that's what I've been doing. Because I have to. Because I'm not going to let the devil get the better of me or let the devil use somebody to get to me. So, no. And that's what I've been doing. But that's why I had to vent. I mean, I've been doing good, though, Taylor. I've been doing good, but I just had to let it out. Because enough was enough, man. Because it was all it was going to do was do the same exact thing each week. Not until I called it out just now. But I guarantee you, it was going to do the same exact thing each week. I promise you. Because it's been going on this long. Until I said something. Enough is enough, bro. So, thank God I got family. Thank God I got friends that really spoke to me, told me, because it was bothering me. It was because I was, and again, the reason why it was bothering me because I was always asking myself, what did I do wrong to this woman? Why is this woman treating me like this? Why is this woman not picking up my call? Like, and we supposed to be, working together as co-parents, and you pregnant, and I want to be by your side. I even send you positive messages. Like last week, I sent her, and God is my witness. God looking down on me right now. I sent her a positive voice message saying, man, keep your head up. I'm proud of you. Man, keep up the great work. You're doing a great job. You're a great mom. Saying everything positive. Did I get anything back? A text message. A text message. There's no call saying, man, thank you for the message. Or even a voice reply. Thank you for the message. It's like, stop with these games, dude. Like, stop. Like, stop. It's enough with that, man. It's enough. If you don't want me to say nothing, change shit, bro. Do right. Make these people believe in you. That you're a better person than that. But anyway. But, like I said, I'm not bringing this up no more. I'm done with it. Like I said, I don't hate her. Still, again, great mom. Support 110%. But yeah, I'm not gonna bring this up anymore though. But I just had to vent it out, bro, because I was getting sick and tired of it. So I had to vent it out, man. And I love you guys enough to just tell the truth, not pretend, man. But I love you guys, and again, thank y'all for always having my back, man. Thank y'all for always riding with me, riding for me. Thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much, man. Definitely appreciate y'all. What time it is? Oh yeah, I know. I said I was supposed to be heading on now.
Says, depression in pregnancy, symptoms, causes, and treatments.
Yeah. And that's why I tell her, if you're going through something, man, reach out to me. I understand about going through depression. But just let me know. Keep me updated with stuff because I want to make sure she's okay. It's basically what I'm saying, Queen. I want to make sure she's okay. Like we're not together. We don't stay together. So it's like I don't know what's going on her end. That's the thing. That's what I mean by reach out to me. I don't know which situation you're in. I don't know that. I'm not God. I'm not a psychic reader to know what's going on your end until you tell me and let me know. If I'm going through something, I'm gonna call you, let you know. Like. And I've been in even though I was going through depressions and all that, I told her. It's ridiculous though, man. But I mean, it's all good, Taylor. But no, and I get it, I understand that, and that's why I said I don't hate her. That's why I said I still respect her. She's the mother of my children. And I don't want you guys to look down on her. Think her any different. Because she is a good person. She is a good person. Like I said, right now she just may be going through a lot, but. It's just the way she's been going about it, and the reason why, because like I said, I dealt with this with my son years back, and it had nothing to do with depression, and you would have to understand the whole story to get where I'm coming from with this. It's just ridiculous, man. Like, my thing is, like I said, and I'm talking on both ends. Adult man, adult woman, pick up the damn phone and just let that person, just give that person a shout out, man. If that person is in your life, stop playing games and forget the text messages, man. Text don't mean shit. Hit them up, man. Tomorrow's not promised to us. Let that person know how you feel. Thank them if they was hitting you up saying, man, I appreciate you from checking up on me. I want to let you know, man, you're doing an excellent job. Keep that person encouraged. Stay positive. Something encouraging, man. But just ghosting them, blanking them like they don't exist. They don't mean nothing, but yet they can do everything else. Like, come on, bro. But I still got love for her, though. Like I said, still.
Terry says, same things is happening with my friend and his wife. I swear to God, it's like I'm listening to my friend. Now he is seeing a therapist.
Jesus. Well, see, the beauty part about that, he's married. So he has a wife to call. But, so, I mean, at least he made some type of step. So, shout out to him for that. But yeah. And then, and tell her with NS, and I understand it on the husband on that end, because they're together. The husband and wife, they must be staying together, right? So they see each other. See, me and her are the opposite. We don't live together. I don't see her. You see what I mean? I'm in my own space. She's in her own space. Now you get what I'm saying? So I don't have her here, nor my son. She's in a different area. That's what I mean by you can call, you can FaceTime, communicate in some type, shape or form. That's what I mean. Versus a husband and wife, that's understandable. You buy each other, so that kind of a little bit, it hits a little bit harder. But I mean, now you get what I'm saying. But at least I was honest to tell the truth, man. But I'm just sick of that, bro. And like I said, she's not a bad person. She's not a bad person. She cool, but just, yeah. That's all I'm saying. Just, yeah. Just tired of the same shit. I'm just tired of it, man. Open your mouth, talk, communicate. That's the problem with the world now. They can't communicate, but they'll jump on social media quick to the mug. They'll jump on Instagram, Facebook to news feeds. Let me update my pictures. Let me go follow somebody. They'll do all of that, but still not handle business. Man, call your loved ones, man. Call your wife. Call your husband. Call your boyfriend. Call your girlfriend. Call your kids. Check up on them. Like, stop taking life for granted, man. Stop it. Stop taking life for granted. For it's too late and then you crying about it. Stop the bullshit. Just stop. Cut the bullshit out. It's enough of that, man. I mean, don't get me wrong. She's still welcome to the platform. Like I said, I don't hate her. And like I said, I'm not talking about this anymore. But I had to let it out, man. I mean, but again, she's not a bad person. And Jackie, like I said, if you are listening, man, you're not a bad person. You're still welcome to the platform. But, I mean, I had to say what I had to say, man. Because I'm tired of sitting here and just pretending. I can't do that no more. I can't do that no more. Because to feel that level of disrespect and not be respected, and as even the father of your children, bruh, that's a new low. You ignore me.
Says,
it's just
they are living separate due to the husband work in different city. She always asking for more and not giving anything in return. My friend went in many bad moments, such as 2 of his young brothers. Materi says, passed away within 5 years.
Man, my condolences, man. My condolences to that too, boss. But you see what I mean on how short life is? And that's the thing. If she's listening to me, man, I am not your enemy. I've been having your back since day one. If I'm such an enemy, we have a second daughter. We have a second child together. You don't have kids with strangers. You know, so we have some type of connection, we have some type of bond. But stop playing like that. Just because you're used to me, still don't treat me like shit. Give me the utmost respect that you would give anybody else. Hell, give me respect you would give a dog. You know, like for crying out loud, you pay attention to them. You cater to them. Like, man, hit me up. Call me. I'm here. It's like, it's ridiculous, man. But yeah, but I just had to bring it out, man. But I had to let you guys know, because I was just sick of holding that shit in. I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I mean, the life been going good. I've been meeting new people and everything, man. And I'm not going to keep letting this one person just dip in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, playing these games. No. We're not doing that. If you're going to be in it, be in it. It's plain and simple. But, guys, I'm about to soon be wrapping it on up, because I did say 1:30, because I do have to get ready to get everything done for the properties and everything. And we get ready to rock and roll from here, man. If y'all, I mean, right now we're still holding 682 for sure. 682 is still holding. If y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, guys, do feel free to reach out to me, man. I'm here to help you guys with whatever you guys need help with. Right now, SPY's still looking good. We do have Amazon still holding up pretty well. Looking for that possible pushback up to 250. We already talked about Apple. Apple got that push up to 275 that we did talk about. So you got that 275 push. So that's looking good. As far as SPY, as long as we hold 682, we do have room up to push up to a 684 to 686. But other than that, man, guys, if I be heading on out, man, I do got to go handle some business, man. I do appreciate you for listening to me. Thank you guys for always having my back when I need it the most. You know, because I ain't gonna lie, man, talking to you guys, it's like, I mean,
we are 17 away from reaching 1,000 subscribers, my
I know, boss, man. Let's keep going, man. Let's keep in that subscribe button, guys. But I mean, and the reason why, again, I've been to a lot of you guys, man, because I want to be as real. I want to be as authentic with you guys to let you guys know that whatever you're going through, you're not alone. I go through things too. I'm not a perfect person. You know, so I just want to let you know that, again, don't think that God is picking on you and only bad things happen to you. No, we all go through different things. It's up to us on how we handle it. You know, and but I am truly grateful to have you guys in my corner, man. I definitely appreciate you guys. If you are new to my channel, man, I do apologize for ranting, but I had to. Hit up that subscribe button on YouTube, guys. If you're ready to subscribe, hit the like button. Twitch, hit the subscribe button to avoid the ads and so forth, guys. But I thank y'all so much, man. And also, let me hit up for my streams. I mean, for my traders. Let me hit up the W chat. You already know what time it is. So y'all already know. W chats. Thank y'all so much for holding it down. You already know. Also, my mods, appreciate y'all for everything that y'all do as well, man. I definitely appreciate y'all, man. But yeah, and again, I'm sorry for ranting, man. But I had to make things happen, man. I had to say what I had to say, and I got you, Ines. I got you, boss. I'm gonna hit you up too. Appreciate you for everything that y'all do, man. So let me go ahead and put my sign up out. So, like I said, guys, as far as right now, as long as that SPY holds 682, look for that possible push up to 684 to 686 towards those levels. That's gonna be your main key area right now. 682, we're above that bad boy. So right now, it's showing that buyers are still in control. Bulls still have the play right now. Other than that, tomorrow, tomorrow is Wednesday, right? Hold up. Data's coming out tomorrow. Let me see if they're gonna still come out. Let me close this real quick. For the economics, I think we should be having CPI data and what's tomorrow? Oh, the bond auction. I think is tomorrow. Note auction. I'm sorry, note auction, because tomorrow's Wednesday. Yeah, I'm already jumping my days. I'm sorry. Yeah, 10-year note auction. That's the only thing that's coming out tomorrow. That's going to be at 1 o'clock. Thursday is going to be CPI data, initial jobless claims, and crude oil inventories and so forth. Okay. So tomorrow, I do apologize. Yeah, tomorrow's going to be just a 10-year note auction at 1. My bad. My fault, guys. I do apologize. I was giving y'all the wrong information. But yeah, guys, let's go, man. So let me go ahead and shut everything down. And again, man, y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay safe. Thank y'all for listening to me. Thank y'all for being there for me. Thank y'all for riding with me, rocking with me, you know, being my support when I needed the most. Thank y'all for being the real ones, my day ones. Thank y'all, man. Appreciate you. And yeah.
Thanks, Jay. Take care of yourself and family.
Man, you too, and Queen, you too.
Says, THX.
No problem at all. And also shout out to you, Queen, and love you to death. And you and the handsome hubby, man. Love y'all relationship. Again, that's relationship goals. I pray that y'all have a long-lasting relationship, successful relationship. Thank y'all for being an inspiration and a motivation to let me know, man, what's possible in life. I thank y'all so much for that. So shout out to you and Tango. I wish y'all nothing but the best, Queen. Love y'all so much. Appreciate y'all for being my day ones, especially my one-on-one day ones. Appreciate you. But other than that, man, y'all already know what I'm about to say before I head on out. Maximize your reward, minimize your risk. Always put grateful for greed and you will succeed every single time. Till then, guys, I will see y'all tomorrow for Wild Card Wednesdays. Y'all stay blessed, y'all stay safe, and y'all already know. Peace!
Subscribe for more content.